Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and SMARTFEE recently reached out to me to see if I would be interested in trying out one of their new products. If you remember, several months ago, I stumbled upon SMARTFEE on Amazon, and I ordered something. I got the wrong size, and I was sent the correct size at no additional charge. I did a video about it. I will link to that video in the iCard up above. So this is one of those planners from SMARTFEE that I got last year. This is a ring bound. This is personal rings. This is the one that I didn't order because I ordered a different size originally, and this is what came. But I did get the right size. I'm just sharing this one so that you can see the quality of the SMARTFEE planners. So this is one of the originals that I had. So like I said, they reached out to see if I would be interested in trying something new from them. And of course I said yes, because I felt like the quality of the SMARTFEE was really great and it had a great price at that time on Amazon. So let's just jump into this and see what it is. I know what it is, but I'm not going to tell you. Let's open it up. I can say I do like their other boxes better. I like the color better. I like the logo better. It looks like this one got a little dented in the shipping process. This does have a linen, like fabric feel cover. So this is where this one is this is like minor stuff, but I just want to point it out. This one is cardboard. It is very pretty though. This one is like a linen fabric feel. So it does feel different. Again, unfortunately, it's damaged in the shipping. Okay, then this, it comes like this in a little velveteen pouch. Ooh. And this is what it looks like. Wow. This is a Hobonichi Weeks cover. Got the little moisture pack in there. Oh my goodness. This makes me want a Hobonichi Weeks, even though I'm not crazy about that layout or size. This is beautiful. So this is like the croco. It does have that leathery smell. Wow, it's got a pocket here, a pocket here. It's kind of very reminiscent of Moterm. I mean, if I didn't know any better, that's what I would think it is, but it's not. It is SMARTFEE. I will link to them in the description box below. It has the big pocket here. Oh, wow. I love the color. Oh, it has a pocket here. Let's move this over out of the way. Then it has a zipper pocket here. Little secretarial pocket in the corner down here. And a pen loop. Oh, wow. It has their branding here. It says SMARTFEE. Wow. It's really nice. Okay. I do have a Hobonichi dupe somewhere. Let me grab it and let's try it out. Okay. I have my print impression weeks here that I used a few years ago. So let's test it out and see how it is, how it fits. Look at those two together. They look really nice. Okay, so let's slide this in. Not sure it will fit with the clear cover on it. That was one issue that I had with another planner, but I really want to keep my clear cover on. Yikes, that's not gonna work. Okay, so we won't have to struggle for the video. I'm gonna take the cover off. The clear cover and use it, slide it in without it. Now this isn't an actual Hobonichi Weeks, so I can't say, oops, So I can't say if a real Hobonichi Weeks would fit, but the print impression Weeks fits, and I'm pretty sure Hobonichi Weeks would probably be a bit smaller. So I don't see why it wouldn't fit. Okay, what is this? Oh, that is like a little bit of an issue. The zipper causes a little bulk, and hopefully I have that in there the right way. The zipper, I think, should be like flat with a cover over it, maybe. I don't know. Just that little detail would probably make a big difference, and it would not press up against the paper like it's doing now. Hopefully you can see that. Other than that, this is beautiful. Really nice. And you could easily make your own notebook, cut it down to size to fit in here, and just use it. This would make like a nice wallet. It's a big wallet, but it would be a nice wallet if you carry like a big bag or something. So I do have a big wallet, so maybe that's just me. But that's kind of what it makes me think of. One of those larger oversized wallets. Okay, so that is it from SMARTFEE. Go over and check it out. I did take a peep on Amazon. They do have quite a few different colors and options. They have other sizes that I saw there for notebook covers. So it's not just ring planners. They do have notebook covers. Go check them out. Let them know that I sent you if there's any way that you can do that. All right, so we are a few days out from my original unboxing. So I am back because I could not resist. I had to do this. So I'd already packed it back up nice and neat for use at another time. And I still may use it another time. But let's pull it back out. Also, I noticed on the first part of the video that it looked more like a salmony color, when in reality this is more of a hot pink color, I would say. But the color is not salmon. The color is more pink. It's got more red tones in it, so it's more pink. Hopefully in this part of the video I can get a truer color representation. Also, the colors on Amazon for this particular version look closer to what it actually is than what the original part of this video looked like. Okay, with that said, like I said, I couldn't resist. I wanted to try it, and I did have someone mention that they wanted to see me playing in the Hobonichi. So, dun 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 dun. I took the plunge and got one. So originally I was going to get this on Jet Pens, but to get free shipping you had to have an order of $35 or more, and on Jet Pens it was only $25. And I didn't want to just order extra stuff just to get the free shipping, and then I didn't want to pay for that shipping. So I went to Amazon and looked, and I was able to find the same thing on Amazon. The colors are limited. And these are, I think, all the ones on Amazon that have the April 2023 start are in Japanese, which is no different than what was on Jet Pens. So I don't feel like I gave up anything by ordering from Amazon. So that's what I did. And it arrived, okay? So I'll link to the planner, the Hobonichi, everything I can in the description box below. So I picked this color because it was, I don't know, the prettiest color that they had available that I liked. So this is considerably thinner than the Print Impression Weeks. So I shouldn't have a problem with it fitting. And I know I have a Hobonichi clear cover somewhere, so I'll have to find that and I will put that on. But let's just see if this fits in here. Yeah, it fits, and I think I should be able to use a clear cover with it. Let me see, let me check something here. Since this one has a clear cover on it, yeah, the Hobonichi Weeks is about 1/8 of an inch shorter than the Print Impression. So when that extra length of the clear cover is added, it should be able to fit, because this fit without the clear cover. This should fit with the clear cover, because once I put the clear cover on here, it will be approximately the same size as the print impression weeks. And I hope all of that made sense, because that was a lot. So it fits in there nicely. I like the color contrast. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I have no idea how I'm going to use this yet. Well, I do have an idea, but I just rather not say, because it seems like every time I do, I never like what it is. And one thing about the Hobonichis that I don't like is that the paper is not white. That was the original reason why I went to B6 Stalogy. But I don't think this will be very much of a decorative planner. I think it will be more pen to paper, I think. Let's see. It says it's Japanese, so some of the things are in Japanese, but the most important things are in English. I mean, this information down at the bottom, the quotes and everything at the bottom is all in Japanese, but the calendars, the days of the week are in English. Well, not on those, but up here it has English and Japanese, so that works. So Monday start, all the monthlies are in the front. I'm sure you've seen Hobonichi before. If not, let me just go through a little bit. You got the year at a glance for 2023, 2022, and 2024. You have your yearly calendar, then the monthlies, and these have a Monday start, which always confuses me. I know it makes sense that you should have a Monday start if you have a Monday start for the weeks, but I'm so used to a Sunday start for the monthly, I usually mess up when it's a Monday start. But these are the monthlies, and this one started in April 2023, if I remember correctly. Yes. So this one did not start in January. It starts in April 2023, which was just last month. So I can get full use out of it for a year. It ends April 2024. This calendar here starts in February. So it started February. You get March here. That's interesting. And then April. And it goes all the way to, we get quite a few pages in the back for notes. Okay, and then it goes all the way through March 31st of 2024. Then we get some note paper. So it has a index here where you can put the page number and the subject of your notes. And the pages are numbered. That's nice. I don't remember that. So it's grid pages that are numbered. You get quite a few. 75 pages of note space. That's pretty nice. All right. And then other features in the back. My 100. I don't know what that is. I'm sure I can look it up and figure it out. And then all of the rest of this is in Japanese. And then here is the serial number, I think. And that's it. Okay. So I guess we'll play around with the Hobonichi weeks. If there's anything specific you want to see me make for this or use with this, let me know in the comments. I probably should tuck this pocket in somewhere because I probably won't use it. Yeah, I'm gonna stick it right there for now so I don't forget that it's in the back. And that's it, okay? So this turned into something other than what it was supposed to be. But yeah, I broke down and got the Hobonichi week. So we'll play around with this another time, see how we like it. So be sure to go check out SMARTFEE to see everything they have to offer. Again, I'll link to them in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may also be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.